friends, Saturday chat video pour vous, and we are talking about just saying no to Christmas clearance right now. A lot of you might think, like, what is she talking about? She's always saying, run to the store, start the car, get your coat on. Yes, but not in this instant. So a lot of you know that over the last many years for Christmas at all the stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Meijer, Walgreens, Rite Aid, whatever the store is, Big Lots, I'm there and I love Christmas and I'm always looking for the best savings with the deepest savings. Like I want to pay very little for amazing things so I can gift them next year. Now, what I've noticed, and I know a lot of you have noticed this as well, and this is kind of weird. I've never seen this before in my 13 years of clearance shopping and couponing. This is what's really bizarre. It's the 16th of December, and I'm just going to call out a couple stores. Walgreens, Home Depot, and Lowe's. Those three already at 50% off. So when you see enticing things online saying, run to the store, go get your stuff, la la la, don't. Because here's my theory. I think that it's been such a hard year financially for gas and food, and just for the average American for living, they do not have disposable income for this stuff. So even at 50% off, it's staying at the store, and what you see tagged on a Sunday, it's still there by the next Friday. So my theory is, I think that when this stuff goes 75, 80, or 90, and I think a lot of stores will push the stuff right to 90 pretty quickly if it's already at 50%, I have this theory that I think it's still going to be there. So it's kind of like a gamble, of course, but I think you just don't have to run to the store. I know that with the two stores, Home Depot and Lowe's, there was a lot of outdoor like decorations and that sort of thing, and we had one of our inflatables die and we wanted to get a new one, and my husband and I went to the store and it was still like $83 for one, and I just looked at him and I'm like, you know what, I'm gambling this year. I am going to wait and see what I can get when it hits 75 or 90. I'm going to wait. It's not moving, nobody seems to care, and it's still there. And I'm just like, there's just no disposable income, and it's just the sign of the times and how hard things are right now. In the future, I will be making a video predicting the dates for 75, 90% clearance for most of this stuff. But one thing I will suggest, if you have a couple of dollars in the bank, or, an extra couple of dollars in your IBOTTA account, go to Walmart and invest in a couple of these totes. Sometimes they go on clearance, but most of the times they don't. But for $7, I actually have 4 of them. And what I do is I shop 75, 80, and 90%. And then I have a bunch of nieces and nephews, family, friends, family. If I see something that I think they're going to like, I put it in these totes and I store them until next year. By the end of January, they're put away, and then they're opened up the following November for Christmas. But that's what I do, and it keeps everything dust-free. It's not going to get, nibbled by a cat or anything like that. But it just keeps things nice and looking brand new, which I like. And you can do really Christmas on a budget, which you can do end of December, January. You can pretty much set yourself up for $50 for the next year. I think I even saw that Rite Aid is already at 75% off, which is crazy for certain items. So it is what it is, guys. And just be really smart out there. And when these deals start, I think we're gonna get flooded. It's gonna be a bunch of stores in one day, and I'm pretty excited for that. But the temptation thing is to stay out of the store. Don't buy this stuff at 50. Don't even look at this stuff. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.